Hi guys, and Ayatollah from Audio Direct, and to say that we are pleased is a bit of an understatement. Now I know that there's a bit of a glare from the sun, but we're blessed with that glorious light here in Dubai in the UAE. But check this out, this is the first ever screen fitted to an L322 big boy Vogue Range Rover. It is absolutely stunning. I mean, we're still updating the firmware and the software for the client, but we just had to make this video because we have to drop this back, and the customer's so eager to get his hands on it. Touch navigation, we set it up so that it's on Google Maps. We haven't downloaded the maps. You can actually sign into your Play Store, download the maps, and then disconnect your phone so it doesn't use data and you've still got the latest maps. We're still to do that. That gets signed in from the customer's account. Music, of course, goes without saying. You know, this is just music that's there on the hard drive as well of the machine. Now of course you can use the volume control in your steering wheel to control the volume here, but we're not going to do that so we don't you know, upset any copyright. And let's see, Bluetooth of course for voice calling as well as for music streaming. And settings, I mean, this is just got an incredible amount of settings. You can see, you know, these are multi-layer. Look at all these options that you can actually do. I mean, it really is incredible. Really is incredible. And not only that, you've also got the drop down menu here as well, which can configure loads of activity and extra settings here as well. I mean, the thing really is just a full on machine. Press the home button and even more options. Of course, radio goes without saying. Good old radio still doing its bit. Video, we've got USB here in the glove box. In fact, it comes with two USBs, both cables. You can see there we've dropped some audio and some music in there, and you know, the quality of the video obviously is depending on the quality that you've downloaded, but that gives you an indication as to what's going on. And floaty screen, again, you can see just how quick that responds. File manager as per any Android unit, and of course you can also connect, you've got screen mirroring on this, so you can actually mirror an Android phone wirelessly and through a cable, and you can also mirror a Apple phone through the cable as well. But this particular unit actually has wireless CarPlay, so a fantastic option, as you can imagine. And again, lots of glorious touches, and we haven't even go back home, you can see how fast it responds. You know, there's still, of course, you can download loads of apps onto this thing as well. We haven't even touched that. So, you know, it's just got absolutely anything. YouTube, Waze, Google Maps, the whole works. Fantastic head unit that we're so proud to have had installed in this very first Range Rover. Ayatollah from Audio Direct, and it's going to be another very busy day for us as we finish this off and deliver it to the customer. Any in-car entertainment needs, hit me up.